color mixing. It's important for you to know how to mix your own colors to make your palette appear cohesive. It is cheaper than buying a tip. Every color. So here's how to paint a color wheel from scratch. All you need to start the three primary color, blue and yellow, and other color created by mixing these in different ways. Note that mixing all three together will make a muddy brown. The secondary colors, purple, green, and orange, are created by mixing primary colors red and blue make purples, blue and yellow make greens, and yellow and red make orange. Tertiary color are created by mixing a color with a secondary color. These are red orange, red purple, purple, blue green, and yellow green, and yellow orange. And now we have our basic color wheel. So to recap, your start with primaries, with mix those two create secondaries, then mix one of it to create tertiary. Now let's go over from basic term to understand and talk about how a color theory. Hue is the name of color like red, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Saturation refers to the intensity and purity of the hue. High saturation means the color really bright, and desaturation means the color look washed out or grayed out. Value refers to the degree of lightness or darkness of a hue. This value scale shows you a full range of value. A shade is a hue produced by adding black. So here you have a variety of shades of red made by mixing the red with increasing amounts of black. A tint is a hue produced by adding white. So now you have a variety of red tints made by mixing the red with increasing amounts of white. A tone is a hue produced by adding gray. So now you have a variety of red tones made by mixing red with increasing amount of gray. When artists talk about color temperature, they mean either warm color with a red, orange, and yellow, and cool colors with a purple, blues, and green. Opposite temperature create visual contrast, have different psychological effect. Generally, warm color appear cheerful and happy, while cool color appear dark, mysterious, and gloomy. This is not always the case, depends on how you present the color. The color wheel is a great reference when you're choosing an appealing color scheme. Here are some of the color scheme. Types of color scheme are monochromatic color. Cream is made up by hues blood, either white, black, or gray. Here variety of tint tones and shades by red complementary colors sit across each other on the color wheel. The most common pair are red and green, purple and yellow, and orange and blue. Putting these next to each other create contrast and visual interest. But they can easily overwhelm. It's important to use them. Analogous color scheme is made by 4 colors sitting next to each other on the color wheel. These are a few examples of analogous color scheme. A triadic color scheme is made up of 3 colors, even space around the color. These are just a few color schemes. A split complementary color scheme is made up of a base color and the 2 color adjacent. Complementary color is tetrad scheme is made of 4 colors arranged into complementary pairs. And a square color scheme is made up of 4 complementary colors, even spaced around the color wheel.